Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing Chrome and saving tabs. This prevents data loss. Once done, restart your laptop to clear temporary glitches and verify network connectivity and at least 1 GB free disk space. Now open Chrome, go straight to Settings, and use the Reset or Cleanup option to remove misbehaving extensions or corrupted settings. Make sure to sign into your Google profile so bookmarks and passwords stay synced while you reset the browser state. You should now disable all extensions and then enable them one by one to identify the offender. This isolates extension conflicts. If problems persist, create a fresh Chrome profile to rule out profile corruption, because profile files often cause persistent crashes. Next, open Chrome's Task Manager and kill tabs or processes using excessive CPU or memory. This prevents hangs. If an update is pending, install it now. Outdated builds frequently cause incompatibility with OS updates. You're at the finish line. Uninstall Chrome completely, reboot the laptop, then download and install the latest Chrome build to replace corrupted binaries. Once reinstalled, sign into your Google profile so bookmarks and passwords restore. Alternatively, import exported data. If the issue persists, run Chrome in Windows Safe Mode or test another browser to determine if the problem is system-wide. One key troubleshooting tip: if crashes continue, create a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.